welcome to Trigger Talk 2020. Today we're here talking about our Brite-Saber 20-inch LED light bar. We don't sell a lot of lighting. We actually only do two vehicle-specific lights or vehicle-mounted lights. One would be this 20-inch single-row LED light bar. This is an extruded aluminum light bar. Comes with all the hardware you need to mount it. We give you the 90-degree brackets and all of your mounting hardware. So set up to mount on a flat surface. We see a lot of these go on roofs of UTVs facing forward. We'll see these mounted behind grills in small crossovers like Crosstreks, Outback wagons, Foresters, RAV4s, you name it. Great little light bar. Comes with about an 18-inch harness and a power and ground. I've added a trigger controller connector to it, and I'm going to plug it into the standard light bar harness. On, off. Great little light. You can add stuff like our Bluetooth relay to it, so you can do stuff like on, off from your phone. We can strobe it and dim it. Or you can just run it as a standard white light bar of your choice. This is on sale this week for $59.95. Shipped to your door, 20-inch LED light bar, triggercontroller.com.